Hi everyone, myself Malti. So as we discussed in the previous session, so many questions which are asked by students and parents, we have answered that, and few more questions we got. So let me answer one by one. How do I choose the right career? So exactly the good question what they have asked. So right career depends on which subject you excites you or which field excites the student. So based on that they have to build their path, and based on that they have to focus and they have to go through that. And in that field, what and all the challenges will come, they have to go through that each and every step, and they can get the success in that field only. Knowing the field and whichever they are having the interest in that, if they go, they will get succeed. So now we'll take the next question. I'm not good at math. What should I do? So, nice question. Actually, everyone feels difficulty in maths only. But it's not only the way to succeed in your life. So, in math, you can study, you can make more easier. Practice makes math perfect. So, that's more important in math. How many sums you solve more and more so that you will get more knowledge in that. We'll go to the next question. How many hours should I study daily? So this is the question asked by so many students. Actually, it's not depending on the hour. How much you are focused. If you study 1 hour also, focused, concentrated, and fully interested in that subject means it's enough per day. So if you plan that peak hour, every student will have their own peak hour. Somebody will be very sensitive or very interested in the morning. Someone will be interested in the evening. Someone will be in the late night. So whichever the time you have the peak hour, you have more interest on which subject, that time you have to study the difficult subject so that you can score more. We'll go to next question. Can I succeed even I'm not a topper? Exactly. So many examples, testimonies you have. Everyone are not the toppers, but still they are leading the field in all business and in other fields also. So exactly you can top the field also if you have the exact knowledge about that field. We'll go to next question. I feel like I'm falling behind everyone else. So this is the question or feeling every student, from student to elder one, we have the same question, same feeling they have. So they compare. The comparison should not be there. Everyone will be unique in their own character or in their own field or in their own interest or hobbies. So don't compare yourself with anybody. So you believe in yourself and you can do well. Thank you so much. So we have answered few questions. If you have more queries, so drop me the questions. We will discuss often and oftenly here, and so that interactions will be there with the students and the teacher and also the public or the parents. So whatever the doubts you have, you can drop the comments so that we can answer in the next video. Thank you so much.